Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button. Like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. And if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So do not forget to follow us on Telegram. Now, let me zoom it out on this GBP USD. Literally, I'll be expecting a fall to this level of 182.833. Now, if we take a look at this movement, right, you'll see that GBP US is literally giving us an uptrend move. You can clearly see it, right? You can see price is giving. You can also see that price is actually rejecting from this level multiple times. You can see price will come to this level, it will go up, it will come to this level, it will go up, it will come to this level. But one thing is that price is actually failing to break above this, thereby making a new highs. So that is an indication that price is becoming weaker right at this level. So we should be very, very careful until price eventually breaks above this. Then we can now say, okay, the bullish move is now very strong on GBP USD. As at now, price is actually rejecting it, serving as like a support and resistance level. So with what I am seeing right now, I'll be expecting GBP USD to come to this level of 183. So for now, I'll be expecting it to actually drop before I personally will be looking for a buy to the upside on GBP USD. At the same time, do not forget that price is very much likely to drop to this level of 182 that like I mentioned previously. Like I said, I will still be expecting price to come to this level of 182. But first, let's see it hit a level of 183. Once we get a buy setup at this level, if eventually GBP USD drops to this level of 183 and we get a buy setup, then it should be fine for us to take that buy to this resistance level. If we don't get the buy setup at this level, then I very much likely to see it drop to a level of 182 before I can now start looking for a buy. So literally, there are ways we can take a buy on this GBP USD. At this level of 183 is possible, and also at the level of 182. So once you get the buy set up, then go ahead and take your buy on GBP USD for the day.